Good morning, Steve Freed with the morning grain comments. Right now we've got grains higher, stocks are higher, the dollar's lower, and crude's higher. I think grains are probably following the higher stock market. There was talk that in China the new COVID cases might be on the decline. That could raise hope that the Chinese could begin to slow their lockdowns. As far as markets are concerned, U.S. Midwest continues to be warm and dry this week. The 8 to 14 though put some rain in the Midwest. We're in a transition period going from what we've had in a wet spring to maybe a drier summer. So these showers could come in off and on, but the market right now is concerned that these rains could slow the corn plantings. Places like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, the Middle East, Brazil, Argentina is still dry. North Dakota, eastern Canada, and Australia is too wet. So the weather right now is not ideal. We're up despite the fact that tomorrow is the big USDA report. Some people feel that USDA may keep the numbers mostly unchanged, just to kind of wait to see if any export demand increases in the U.S. For corn and beans because of what's going on in Ukraine, South America. Brazil is basically out of the soybean market August 1st. Also, we're watching China demand. So far, their imports of soybeans is down from last year, but their coverage is only 25% for June and July, and there are rumors that they were asking for U.S. soybean old and new crop prices yesterday. Soybean oil, we're at supported by higher diesel oil prices. We're also talking about Malaysia maybe slowing down some of their palm oil exports. Soybean oil is now at a record high, almost 52% of the board crush, while soybean meal is at 3.5-month lows. U.S. soybean crush margin is still positive. Export demand is picking up, which is firming up the domestic basis. The peso right now is at 1.868 in Argentina. On November 8th, it was 100. Matif rapeseed is higher because of dry European weather. We've got, as far as USDA tomorrow, since 2014, they have always used the outlook yield of this time 181. They've never changed that, so we expect them to do that tomorrow, even though crop watchers are closer to 177. Brazil's second corn crop is lower. Matif corn prices are higher because of dryness in Europe. Ukraine plantings of crops continue, but the concern now is exports, with Russia continuing to shell Odessa and Odessa export facilities. India exported a record amount of wheat in April, 1.4 million tons. They expect to do 1.5 million tons in May, but then their exports may drop off because of their lower crop. Bangladesh, Pakistan, Iran, all looking for tenders for wheat, and we're seeing that Iraq also needs wheat. We'll see what the USDA does to the wheat balance sheets tomorrow, but again, importers are short and supplies of exporters are on the decline. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe trading day.